guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl V. If you're new to my channel, a very warm welcome to you. And if you are a returning subscriber, I see you. Thank you so much for coming back. We are headed to a travel workshop for work, so come with me and I hope that you enjoy the vlog. Comment down below if you did. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like this video.
So hopefully we all in the same group now.
Location. Hello. Who doesn't know who we are? No, tell us. Yes, you should tell us everywhere. We've got 12 properties across the country and key locations have been. Well, I don't know if you guys were involved in that, but no. Does anybody know?
18 prizes to be won by the we have good refreshments so that you can get power through.
Rise and shine, rise and shine. Oopsie. Goeiemorgen. Morning.
Okay? But the fires come through them, but they still fight. Because you know these other plants, you'll see one later, pretty juicy.
And shag. Your head.
Birds love them. I've already been with groups where it's opened up, they come out. Pink leaves which have dried down to this, and strong wind comes.
Wow. This video doesn't do it justice. This video does not do it justice. Today we are headed to the Mellvillle Nature Reserve for a picnic date Nyana. So come along with me and let's enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Mwah.
On the lines of the mouth, they must live.
My lipstick is gone, y'all. That's how you know you had a good time. Okay. Period. It is the end of this picnic vlog. I'm sorry that I wasn't recording everything, but like I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel for more content. We are out. Peace.